Stunning Jutsu! Go take care of them!
To think, seawater in the desert! Ten, you showed the fruits of your labor!
I sure did, didn't I?
There was a truce between us, so what happens now?
Could we continue the truce?
Fine by us. We're going to head straight for the finish line.
Hope to see you again, guys!
They're strange, the other villages. Wonder if the Hidden Rain village is really going to change.
We'll change it. By having faith in Lord Pain and Lady Angel. Let's go. We have to look for a jinchuriki.